Question number 7. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. Make the frequency distribution of the digit from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. What are the most and the least frequency occurring digits? So after the point we have 1, 4, 1, 5, 9 and so on till this 510. So by counting the number of digits that comes, so we can have 0 to 9 digits, and we are now counting how many times 0 digit comes in the value of pi after the decimal. So it is 2 times, 1 is 5 times, 2 is 5 times, 3 is 8 times, 4 is 4 times, 5 is 5 times, 6 is 4 times, 7 is 4 times, 8 is 5 times, and 9 is 8 times. So this total gives us 50 because we have 50 decimal places. So this is how the distribution table will be formed. So next part, what are the most and the least frequency occurring digits? So from the table we can say that least number is 0. So 0 is the least occurring digit in the 50 decimal places of pi, and the most is 9 and 3. 9 and 3 are the most frequent occurring digits in the value of pi up to 50 decimal places. Most 3 and 9, least is 0.